Thanks so much for stopping by for today's video. And if you're new here, welcome. And to all of my loyal subscribers, welcome back. And one big hug from me to you. So it's my Portrait of Fall Home Decor series for 2023. What to do? Just keep watching. And if you're new here, go ahead and subscribe to the channel right now. Well, before we get to all of the decorating, we have to get down with the cleaning. You know how we do here on the Johnson Ranch. Mopping, cleaning baseboards, dusting and wiping down walls. Oh man, wiping down furniture, vacuuming furniture. That's right, all of those things to make our house lovely, refreshed, smelling good, and ready for the decor. Let me take this opportunity to introduce myself to you. I am Katrina, and this is my lifestyle channel. So I share the things I love: home decor, cooking, cleaning, vlogs, shopping hauls, and so much more. If these are things that interest you, you know what to do. Come on and join my growing YouTube family. And did I mention I love doing things on a budget? Yeah, I really do. So join the family. You'll love it here on the Johnson Ranch. Family, I had to do it. I had to purchase a new vacuum cleaner. So I went with the Shark Navigator. I've had it for about 2.5 weeks now, and I really love it. With just a push of the button, I can go from laminate, hardwood, or carpet with this new vacuum cleaner. And did I mention it was on sale at Wally World? That's right, regular price $229, but you know your girl got it for around $160. Yay me! Videos are posted on Tuesdays and Thursdays, 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and a few more sprinkled in between for your viewing pleasure. Now we've finished with the cleaning. My favorite part, time to decorate. Before leaving on today, make sure to give me a big thumbs up and leave a kind comment below. Until next time, stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless. I already look forward to seeing you on my next video.